Everybody, just a quick update. This is the progression of my Valley of Guanji Styracosaur. It's got a pretty good stance. But what I'd like to show you are these. These are pocket model kits released through Revell, and we have the Snowspeeder, which I built and painted up. We have, of course, the X-Wing fighter, and just to show you how small they are, that is the X-Wing in my hand. You can see it's very little. And next to the Snowspeeder, we have the mighty Millennium Falcon. That was an absolutely fun kit to paint and build, and for a kit this small, the detail is just fantastic. Okay, so we have the Revell Easy Kit Millennium Falcon. We have the Snowspeeder from Empire Strikes Back. Of course, there's the detail underneath, of course, and my personal favourite, the X-Wing fighter from Star Wars. Hope you all enjoyed it.